All right, my dudes, I just finished spending hours cleaning up the truck house from Burning Man. We're heading towards Moab, Utah, and towards Colorado, towards Durango. It's time to start the outdoor adventures. Let's do it. In about a 1,000-mile drive, and we'll be there. Man, I tell you what, too, it is freaking 110 degrees in Reno. Like, it is just hot. I'm gonna go meet up with Brian from Off-Grid Backcountry Adventures, and we're gonna do some adventure and some four-wheeling together, and some camping, so that's what's up. Later, Reno. All right, you guys ready for a Timmy ramble? I'm still blown away by Burning Man, even though I've been there. This would be my 6th or 7th burn. I've lost count. There's something really special about it. And every time you leave there, I don't want to say it leaves you confused. It just leaves you feeling like you need to change something in your life. It just makes you realize how precious your time is here on Earth and how you just have to make the most of it. I don't know what it is about the festival that does that. I think it's just that so many people, 70,000 people come together and they create this city for a week. You can't buy anything in the city. It's totally different than any other society that's been created. People just give each other everything because you can't buy anything. So what people do, they create these things called theme camps. As many people as you want can be in a theme camp, and you kind of come up with one idea of something to give, or a service to give, or a thing to give to people. Your theme camp gives that thing away all week, and you kind of take turns giving that away, and that way you're not stuck there in your camp all the time. It's just really special. You can go get whatever you want and go get things you never even thought about. It's really cool. Everyone just gifts each other all week. It just leaves you wondering why that can't be a thing all the time in real life. Like, I know you have to go out and earn money, or you have to go out and create these things that people are giving away. There has to be a balance, and you have to work to play, and without work there wouldn't be play. I understand the balance in between it, but how people act all week at Burning Man, and how kind they are to each other, and how friendly and how generous and genuine they are, it's totally a life changer. If you haven't been, I highly recommend it, even though it's the worst environment ever in the dust and the heat. It's totally worth it every time. Anyway, I'm just thinking about life and thinking about I don't know, how I can make the most of it. That's why I love these road trips. To get you out there and just meet new folks and have new experiences and see new things and keep on making the most of it. Oh my God, I slammed on the brakes really quick. Check this crap out. Look at that sand dune. Like, what? Gotta go check this out. Cold Springs. Man, there is going to be a gorgeous sunset tonight. I can't wait. Highway 50, the most desolate road I've ever been on in my life. I mean, more desolate than Alaska. It's pretty nuts. One of my favorite parts about a good road trip is it allows you time to just process everything in your life and just think. And I actually don't listen to a lot of music on a road trip just because I love to think and reflect. I'm just thinking about my stepdad, Bill, that passed away this past November. He'd had a terminal cancer, and luckily I was able to be there for a good portion of it and try to help him through it the best I could. It's just really, really hard to see someone go like that. You know, one thing that really stuck with me is when it was happening to him, when it was getting close to the end, he made it very known, very vocal that he was scared to die. And I'm just thinking about why that was. I think it's because it's just unknown. You know, everyone's got their religions and their theories of what happens when you're gone. And I think not knowing an outcome brings about doubt because you don't know what's going to happen. And doubt brings out fear. If you get into it even further, the funny part is there's actually no such thing as fear because there is no wrong outcome. I don't know what the answer is, but you shouldn't let doubt rule your life and fear rule your life because it's okay to not know what's going to happen. It's okay, you know? And that's with anything in life. You know, any direction you choose, any path you take, there's no wrong path. It's just a path. And I guess my point to all this is you got this life, so just take a chance, you know? There's no wrong outcome, so you might as well just do what you want to do and just go for it and see what happens and that's how it'll be, and that's how it is. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't want to bore you guys too much with my philosophy on my long solo drive, so back to the road. Sun's going down. It's absolutely beautiful. Out in the middle of freaking Nevada, however you say it. I'm gonna see if I can't find a place to stop and capture the sunset up here. It's just absolutely gorgeous right now. All right, let's get on with it. I'm hungry. I got some beans I might cook later, but I'll put a little more time in the road first. So we're gonna push on a little bit further tonight. It's obviously getting dark. I don't know where I'm gonna stop just yet, but I'm gonna try to get a little bit of distance towards Colorado, so we've got more time there. So that's what we're doing. Man, just got super lucky. This place was about to close, but just hooked me up with a cheeseburger. Pretty stoked. Back on the road. Absolutely beautiful night out, and we're going to stop the Love Travel stuff up here and call it a night. So that's the word. We are in the city of Eli, I think it is. Eli? Oh no. You are not gonna believe this. As I'm trying to pull out of Lowe's, I just blew my power steering hose again. This happens every single year. I just lost all my power steering. At least I'm here for the night. We're gonna fix it in the morning. I have a spare power steering hose behind my seat for this exact reason. Sure enough, it's exactly what I thought it was. Check it out. Oh, soccer blue. See all that fluid right there? That is power steering fluid, and the hose blew off at the top like it always does, so I'll get the other hose out from behind my seat. Good thing I bought 2 of them. But for now, that's where we're spending the night. Good timing. Had to move all my juggling clubs. But behind my seat here, I have a spare power steering hose from Napa. So this is what has blown out. If you look at my old YouTube videos, I have a video of it blowing out -20. I fixed it on the side of the road. Then I broke down just outside of Jasper in Alberta, in Canada, last year. And now I broke down here. So put that in my seat and we'll fix it in the morning. I cannot begin to describe how thankful I am that that happened here in the literally pulling out of the Love's parking lot. Like the best place ever, actually. I should have power steering fluid. Actually, I think you use automatic transmission fluid in these Fords for the power steering fluid. I think I have some of that, but anyway, going to bed. It's been an awesome day though. Home sweet home. You know what? I'm gonna do the safe thing, and I always pull my stairs up at night. That way, yeah, it's pretty hard to climb up on this thing if the stairs are up. So I'm gonna do that. Whew. Man. Calling it a night.